Morning. A little town about 10 miles out from York this morning for Millfield Parkrun. Following all the other runners because we're not quite sure how to get from the car park in the centre of town, which is where they advise you park, to the start of the run. Anyway, let's see what this one's like.
Go in.
And we are off. Thirsk kilometre 640. First lap of 3. Second kilometre 6:42. Halfway point. Third kilometre 6:32. second lap. Last lap to go. Thank you, Marshall.
Well done. Have a lovely weekend.
Thank you, Tail Walker.
Thank you. Well done.
Kilometre 643. Thank you, Park Walker. Thank you, Marshall.
Well done, everyone. Well done,
Thank you, Marshalls. I've gone a nice little bit. Thank you, Marshall. Thank you, Marshall. Happy they're done in 6:42 for that last lap.
Well done.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
192. Well done.
Hello. Thank you very much.
GoPro on.
Where?
It's not gone.
Oh, has it gone away? Ugh, messages. Thank you.
They always do. They don't stay very long.
No,
Thank
they
you
don't do
very
they? Thank you very much.
Thank you. Oh, yeah, good girl.
Pretty little garden area with lots of flowers. And very tempting looking benches. And that is Millfield Parkrun finished. Just checking because runners are coming and we're going to pass across the path. Nice little course, yeah, a little bit undulating, but that's not necessarily a bad thing for me because I push up and down hills. Quite straightforward to get to, quite straightforward to run. As you saw there, mostly gravel track and a little bit of tarmac, just a little grass to finish. Getting to Easingwold, driving buses from the east coast, mainline from York or Thirsk, depending whether or not you're coming north or south. Coming north, that's Thirsk. Coming south, York. Anyway, thank you for watching.